The song is about the life of an immigrant, specifically anybody who knows the story in the Limpopo with the Popo. Let's get into it then. Bless him with the mic. Menzwa Jamba fence. Siya bachiri no hakwa. Boys rapinda Johnny raku grafta risina sakwa. Make it into Josie kana usna ku atakwa. What maringa bongwe for the hustle savam sakwa. You tryna shift the script up, take away the hiccups. Usapeza marimuma. Party nema strip club. Satanadi munu anamwari kutatorescent. Better be enlightened kunge global kana fluorescent. Cop extortion real so itachi walk home where buy a couple drinks and deter the cops your home. Fambam Josie Street usango blitz phony. Careful who you trust because these cats are phony. Since my issues chopping kunge cheese pa pepperoni. Money in the bank because the bigger checks is for me. Planning for a milli, this is sort of practice for me. I am for certain in my mind could that is for me. Mawanu wangu autotiza zese mapurisa na makuti mjosi waizia ukapinda futi ukadzokera unocha ukapinda umunocha. You know what I mean? But the only thing, Chicha, is your Snickers cause you're working hard. Yeah, man. Many times you thought of going back home. Different advice from the family on your phone. Some say stay there and make a killing. Some are worried about the televised killings. But you saw it on the news too. Paranoid because the smiles never tell you who's who. Man, and this invents a new you. Let them do them while you do you. If you're in a long distance relationship, is it worth it, the effort to be patient in? This ain't what you thought the place to be. When they told you this is just the place to be. Can't attend funerals, that ain't the problem. If you die across the border, that's a bigger omen. So you mingle with the life, but you pray to God. Strength is now embedded in your Zim blood.
Someone sent him around that day. Said you know this majestic. Someone